My 1988 Chevy G20 van. It always smoked on startup and then it'd go away, but now it smokes all the time. It's a 305. That smoke doesn't go away. See that smoke? We're gonna try an experiment with Marvel Mist Oil. We're gonna put it on a quart of Marvel Mist Oil in the motor. Online it says it works good. It might have a stuck lifter or something. Here we go. It's a 305 V8. It's only got about 100,000 something miles on it. Maybe 108. It doesn't have that many. I would hate to lose the motor. Got a whole nother one here. These come in 16 ounce. They're about 5 something at Walmart. Hold them to top tomorrow. Here it comes. Got that MMO. Marvel Mist Oil. I'm going to take it for a ride. After it warms up, it's going to be about a 10-mile ride. Damn, I shouldn't have put it in until it warmed up. What was I thinking? I'm going to ride it about 10 miles. This van's really special. It's a G20. The coach builder put a toilet in it with a holding tank so it can be titled as motor home. Insurance is only $62 every 6 months. I'm wondering how this is going to work out. I should have let it get hot before I put it in. Yeah, Marvel Mist Oil in the Chevy van. I love this van. It's all rusty from Ohio. But that insurance, that cheap insurance is what I like. It's got that high top. Who makes that? Viking high top. Fiberglass. We'll update in the next video, or make another video of it. Marvel Mist Oil. It's been out since 1934.